Introducing the 2020 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a blind spot monitoring system, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and much more. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.